guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my patio makeover, and the interesting thing about this is the materials that I'm going to be using to do that.
So here I have a couple of random pieces of wood. I have 2 long pieces of bed frame, 2 pieces of plywood and thermocol from some packaging. All of these pieces were lying around in my patio storage, and I'm so glad I didn't throw them away and I could actually use them to create a beautiful and relaxing seating area. Next, I'm going to be making a few side and center table for my seating space. For this, I'm using a couple of carton boxes and some fabric. To cover the white wooden board, I'm using a couple of table mats. You can use a double-sided tape or a sellotape to stick them together. I'm adding in some sheer curtains for a little privacy and also to make my space feel a bit cozy. I'm almost done setting up now. Let's go see how it looks. Talking a little bit about ideas on how to create this kind of seating for your patio. Now I have used and recycled pieces of wood which was just lying around and eventually would go to waste. But not many of you might find something similar. So some of the alternate options would be to get some plywood from a local store and make a seating out of that. That is, if you have access to all of the tools. If not, you could easily use a couple of flat cushions or a flexible mattress, or even some old blankets, quilts or comforters can be used to create this seating. Patios or balconies are an important part of a house. It is the only space in our house that connects us to the outdoors. It provides a whole other area where we can sit and have a morning coffee, read a book, meditate, or even simply sit and gaze at the sky. By night time, the same patio turns into a relaxing space where one can unwind after a hard day's work, where you can spend quality time with your loved ones or have a romantic candlelight dinner with your partner. I hope you all like this DIY patio makeover idea. Do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos.